Are you looking for a video on how to multiply decimal numbers? Then this video is right for you. So without much further ado, let's begin. Hi, my name is ROWEL CARPIO. I'm a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. If you have been to my channel before, welcome back. And if it is your first time to visit my channel, hit the subscribe button found below and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new video. And if you think that the content of my YouTube channel is worth sharing with others, kindly share it with them and leave a comment on the comment section found below. Gracias! In this video, I'm going to present to you how to multiply decimal numbers. So how do we multiply decimal numbers? In multiplying decimal numbers, we can follow the given steps. First, write the given factors vertically but not necessarily aligning the decimal points. Second, multiply the numbers the same way as multiplying whole numbers. Third, make the number of decimal places in the product the same as the number of decimal places in the factors. So let us have examples. We have here example number 1. Multiply 16 and 72 hundredths by 3 and 5 tenths. So first step, we are going to write the numbers or write the given factors vertically, but not necessarily aligning the decimal points, just like what we are doing when we are adding or subtracting decimal numbers. So 16.72 and then times 3.5. Okay, after writing the numbers in vertical form, we are going to multiply the numbers the same way when we are multiplying whole numbers. So we can start by multiplying our digit starting from the rightmost part. So 5 times 2 will give us 10. So 0, regroup 1. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 1, we have 36, so we have 6, regroup 3. 5 times 6 will give us 30 plus 3, we have 33, 3, and then regroup 3. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8. And then we are going to multiply also the digit 3 times 2 will give us 6, so you have 6 and then you have 0. 3 times 7 is 21. So 1, regroup 2. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2, we have 20. So 0, regroup 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. And then we are going to add now our initial products. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. Regroup 1. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 0 plus 8 is 8. And then we have to bring down 5. And then after that, we are going to count how many decimal places are there in our factors. So in our first factor, we have 1, 2. 2 decimal places. While in the second factor, we have 1 decimal place. So all in all, 1 plus 2, we have 3 decimal places in our factors. So in other words, we have to make also 3 decimal places in our product. So we have to start counting from the right, 1, 2, 3, and then our decimal point. So therefore, the product of 16 and 72 hundredths and 3 and 5 tenths is 58 and 520 thousandths. Let us proceed now to our second example. Our example number 2, it says here, find the product of 9 and 801 thousandths and 2 and 13 hundredths. So again, our first step is for us to write the given factors in vertical column. So we have 9.801 times 2.13. So again, in writing the numbers in vertical column, we don't need to align the the decimal points. And then after writing them in vertical columns, we can start multiplying starting from the rightmost part. So we can start multiplying. 3 times 1 will give us 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 is 24. So 4, regroup 2. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 2 is 29. Next, we are going to multiply the digit 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 and then 0 here. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. Next, we are going to multiply the digit 2. So 2 times 1 is 2 and then we have 0 and 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. Regroup 1. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19. And then we are going to multiply our initial products. So 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 0 plus 4 is 6. 0 plus 8 plus 9 is 17. 7. Regroup 1. 6 plus 9 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. Plus 1 is 18. Regroup 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0. Regroup 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. After that, we are going to count how many decimal places are there in our factors. So first factor, we have 1, 2, 3. There are 3 decimal places. Second factor, 1, 2. There are 2 decimal places. So all in all, 3 plus 2 will give us 5 decimal places. So in other words, there are 5 decimal places in our factors. So we have also to make 5 decimal places in our product. So starting from the rightmost, we have to count 5 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then our decimal point. So therefore, the product of 9 and 801 thousandths and 2 and 13 hundredths is 20 and 87,613 hundred thousandths. Now let's proceed to our third example. Our third example, we have here multiply 7 and 941 thousandths by 5. Again, our first step is for us to write the given factors in vertical column. So 7.9, 4, and 1 times 5. So we have here, one factor is a decimal number and the other factor is a whole number. So we can start multiplying this 5 to the first digit, which is 1. So 5 times 1 will give us 5. 5 times 4 is 20 is 0, regroup 2. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 2 is 47. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 4, we have 39. Since we have only a one-digit multiplier, so we can already count the number of decimal places in our multiplicand. So the multiplicand has 1, 2, 3 decimal places and 0 decimal place for our multiplier. So in other words, we just have to count 3 decimal places also in our product. So 1, 2, 3 and our decimal point. So in other words, when we multiply 7 and 941 thousandths by 5, it will give us a product of 39 and 705 thousandths. So there you have it, how to multiply decimal numbers. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.